Coyle, Manager of E-commerce Programming at NYPENN Pathways, located in Central New York, and I am really excited today to tell you about GirlCratery, our newest initiative that delivers adventures in a box right to girls' doorsteps across the nation. We're really excited to be partnering with ARC of Onondaga, another local nonprofit. We have volunteers who come in every week and they help us to kit, to count, to sort, to run inventory, to pack the crates. We're providing a real meaningful experience for the gentlemen that come on a weekly basis, and they're really providing a great service to us by helping us get these crates out and provide a great experience to girls across the nation.
Hi, I'm Shannon Moore Carlson, Director of Employment Services with ARC of Onondaga. Here at the ARC of Onondaga, we're thrilled with the partnership that's been formed with the Girl Scouts of NYPENN Pathways. This community-based work experience offers people opportunities to work on the skills that they will need to move into competitive employment in the future. The work that we do is intricate, interesting, integrated, and the people at Girl Scouts are fantastic. Amanda Coyle has created this environment that teaches work priorities, productivity, quality control, focus, and so much more.
Today, folks, I'm putting stickers on these bottles, which is very fun.
I like to come here and work and make friends, right?
As the guys pack the boxes, I stand and do quality control so that every crate holiday gets the same experience.
Prepare all these crates.
Prepare all these crates.
Oh my gosh, it's so exciting to get new subscribers. Every time we get a new subscriber, I feel like another girl is going to get to experience the power behind GirlCratery, the excitement, and it makes my heart smile.